Today we will discuss the PN junctions diode for optical communications. Semiconductor materials. The good insulator at low temperature and good conductor of electricity at high temperature. A material that is neither a good conductor of electricity like copper nor a good insulator like rubber. The most common semiconductor materials are silicon and germanium. These materials are then doped to create an excess or lack of electrons. Types of semiconductor materials. They are classified into category intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor are pure semiconductor without any significant dopant species present, whereas extrinsic semiconductor doping involves adding dopant atoms to an intrinsic semiconductor. The intrinsic semiconductor, a perfect semiconductor crystal containing no impurities or lattice defect, is said to be intrinsic semiconductor. The energy band structure of an intrinsic semiconductor is given in above figures. It shows the energy band diagrams of intrinsic semiconductor at a temperature above the absolute zero. Showing this, the diagram shows that an equal number of electrons and holes in the conduction band and valence band, respectively. The B diagram shows the graph of Fermi-Dirac probability distribution corresponding to the energy band diagrams. In figure 1 shows the situations in the semiconductor at a temperature above absolute zero where thermal excitation raises some electrons from the valence band into the conduction band, leaving empty holes state in the valence band. These thermally excited electrons in the conduction band and the holes left in the valence band allow conduction through the material are called carriers. For a semiconductor in thermal equilibrium, the energy levels occupation is described by the Fermi-Dirac distribution functions. Consequently, the probability P that an electrons gain a sufficient thermal energy at an absolute temperature T such that it will be found occupying a particular energy level E is given by the Fermi-Dirac distribution function, that is the given as 1 upon 1 plus exponentials E minus EF upon KT, where K is the Boltzmann constant, EF is equal as the Fermi energy or Fermi levels. The Fermi level is only a mathematical parameter but gives an indication of the distribution of carriers within materials. Doping involves adding dopant atoms to an intrinsic semiconductor which changes the electron and holes carriers concentrations of the semiconductor at thermal equilibrium. Types of extrinsic semiconductors. There are two types of extrinsic semiconductor, P type and N type. In P type, the boron is electron deficient. It wants to gain an electron in its valence shells. Holes transport can give rise to conductivity. In these metals, the conductivity is held in the valence band. In N types, phosphorus has extra electrons. It vacant to lose an electrons from its valence shells. In p-type semiconductor have a large hole concentration than electron concentrations. The phase p-type refer to positive charge of the hole. In p-type semiconductor, holes are the majority carriers and the electrons are the minority carriers. P-type semiconductor are created by doping an intrinsic semiconductor with acceptor impurities. P-type semiconductor have a Fermi level below the intrinsic Fermi energy levels. The Fermi energy level lies closer to the valence band than the conduction band in a p-type semiconductor. In a p-type semiconductor, acceptor impurity creates holes. These addition of trivalent impurities such as boron, aluminum, gallium to an intrinsic semiconductor create deficiency of the valence electron causes the holes. In n-type semiconductors, the Fermi energy level is greater than of intrinsic semiconductor and lies closer to the conduction band and the valence band. The n-type semiconductor, the negative charge of the electrons are majority carriers and holes are the minority carriers. The addition of pentavalent impurities such as antimony, arsenic greatly to increase the conduction of the intrinsic semiconductor. The band diagram of n-type semiconductor is shown in figures. This is the valence band, this is the conduction band, this is your donor impurity level, the Fermi level here. The black dot shows the electrons and white dot shows the holes. This is the concentrations, p types, n type, and ion layer. And this is a properties of the p-n junction diode. The p-n junctions present some interesting properties that have useful application in modern electrons. A p-type semiconductor is relatively conductive. The same is true for n-doped semiconductor, but the junction between that can be become depleted of charge carrier and hence non-conductivity depending on the relative voltage of the two semiconductor regions. By maintaining the non-conductive layer, p-n junction are commonly used as a diodes circuit elements that allow a flow of electricity in one direction but not in the other opposite directions. The property is explained in terms of forward bias and reverse bias, where the term bias refers to an application of electric voltage to the p-n junction. Zero bias in p-n junction without an externally applied voltage. An equilibrium condition is reached in which a potential difference formed across the junction. This difference is called a built-in potential. After jumping a p-type and an n-type semiconductors, electrons near the p-n interface tends to diffuse into the p region. As electrons diffuse, they leave positively charged ion donor into the n region. Likewise, holes near the p-n interface begin to diffuse into the n-type region, leaving fixed ion acceptor with a negative charge. The region near the p-n interface lost their neutrality and become charged, forming the space charge region or depletion regions. This is the energy band diagrams of the p-n junction diode. The right portion shows the n top, left showing the p top, and this is space charge regions. The electric field created by the space charge regions opposite diffuse process for the both electrons and holes. These are two consequent phenomena. The diffusion process tends to generate more space charge, and the electric field generated by the space charge that tends to counteract the diffusions. The carriers figure shown in these diagrams. This is the carrier concentrations levels. The space charge region is a zone with a net charge provided by the fixed ions donor or acceptors that have been left uncovered by majority carriers. Diffusion, when equilibrium is reached, the charge density is approximated by the displayed step function. In fact, the region is completely depletion of the majority carriers. The forward bias, in forward bias, the p type is connected within the positive terminal and n type is connected within the negative terminal. p-n junction operate in forward bias mode, showing the reducing the depletion width. Both p-n junctions are doped at 15 per centimeter cube doping level, leading to built-in potential 0.59 volt. Reducing depletion width can be interfered from the shrinking charge profile as shown, as favored dopants are exposed with increasing forward bias. This shows the diagrams. Figure shows the p-n junction operating forward bias. Only majority carriers can flow through the semiconductor for a microscope length within the mind onset of the flow of electrons across the junctions. In reverse bias, diode is used in circuit. If a diode is reverse bias, the voltage at the cathode is higher than the anode. Therefore, no current flow until the diode break down. Connected p-type region and negative terminals of the battery and n-type region to the positive terminal corresponding to reverse bias. The voltage in this diode, the voltage leave to the terminals and depletion layer increases across the regions and no charge carrier flow through the depletion regions. Non-radiative recombination, it is a electron hole recombination process in recombinations of electron holes which does not produce photons, but mostly phenomena not radiation generated occur in the semiconductor featuring indirect band gap. This shows the radio recombination of electrons hole pair accompanied by the emission of photon with energy H equal to Eg. Thank you.